Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the plunger, attach the handles, and snap all covers onto this door. I've received 2 boxes of handles, one for the inactive slab and one for the active slab. There's also instructions included in each box. We're going to start with the inactive slab first. Here's our interior and exterior handles with the bag of hardware. Starting with the exterior handle first, we'll apply this component to prevent the handle from moving. And then we'll apply our gaskets to the top and bottom screw bosses. On the interior handle, we're going to use the same component to prevent the handle from moving. Here's our exterior handle and our interior handle. Ensure you hand tighten these screws to prevent damage to the plate. In the other box, we have our handle set for the active slab, our exterior and interior handles, our cylinder with keys, and the components for the handles. And using the bracket that's located in the bag, it will hold the cylinder in place when we reapply our Phillips screw. I've now inserted the cylinder, attached the bracket, and now we're going to tighten the screw to hold it in place. Now we can set the gasket on the inside of the exterior handle. Now it's time to insert this pin and this component into the interior handle. The pin will slide in first. This piece will slide right around the pin and hold in place. Starting with our exterior handle, we'll slide that into the exterior of the slab first. And now the interior handle. Remember to hand tighten these screws to prevent damage to the handle. Once they're tightened, ensure they function correctly. If you receive the active slab where the plunger's backwards, you can flip it by engaging the deadbolt, raising and holding the handle, pull out the plunger, and spin it around. On the active slab, you have a top and bottom latch that will hook into the inactive. Using your Allen wrench, you'll be able to adjust this opening with these 2 screws. Now it's time to install our drip cap. Here's the exterior side of the drip cap, and this will snap into the header of the mainframe. Trimming the length of the drip cap might be needed. To snap the drip cap completely on, a block and a mallet might be needed. Now it's time to install our fastener covers in the jambs and header. This side will have to be snapped in first, and then this side. Starting with the right jamb fastener cover, we're going to snap it in this way first, and then this way. Now I'm going to follow the same steps for the left side fastener cover and the header fastener cover. The last cover to snap on is your threshold cover. You might need to trim the length. Once the length is correct, you'll be able to snap it on using your mallet and a block. So to recap this video, we've now attached the handles, adjusted the plunger, and snapped all covers onto this door. I'm Patrick Jameson, and thanks for watching.